viewers, welcome to my channel. So in the last video, I showed you how to easily make mandala grid and some awesome tips to master mandala. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fill designs in this grid that we made in our last video. The designs are very simple and at the same time they are beautiful and attractive. So here I'm started making design with pencil just to avoid any mistakes because we want our mandala to be perfect. We will leave these two columns and we'll start from here. The design is to be filled within the 3 lines. As you can see here, 1, 2, 3. From here I'll start making like this. Every time the design will remain in 3 lines only. So we are almost done here and we'll repeat the same design in the other 2 columns also. So this was the smaller design and the same design will be repeated as bigger. As you can see, the design always remains in the 3 columns. As I said earlier, our grid should be very perfect to make such great designs. So if you want to know how to make mandala grid, the link is in the description box. So here I'm starting with the bigger one, again with the 3 lines. For making this design, we have to turn our paper again and again. For this, you simply make one side designs all over the circle. And then just simply join them. This will make your work kind of simple and easy. Now I'm done by the design and now I'm finalizing it by making it a black pen, or you can use any other color than black, whatever you like. So here I'm done with doing the pen and now I'll start with the designs. Here I'm starting from the first design in this lane. As you can see, it's very easy. So the first lane is completed and now we'll start with the second lane, this one. It's very simple design, you just have to make birds like this. On the line of the grid only and give a leaf texture to it. all. I'm making designs very slowly just to show you how to make it. And now it's time for the third design, which is also very easy. You just have to make like this. We already have a partition here. We'll draw a line and we'll give a leaf texture here also. Like this. We'll erase the pencil stuff because we are done with the design. Here I'm using the aqua blue color for filling up the spaces. So the glue work is done here, and now it's time to add some golden spark in our drawing. So here I'm using a golden marker. I'm just adding a text which is simply peace. Just adding some tiny hearts to make it more beautiful. So I have some more mandalas also. If you want to try them, the link is in the description box. This is inspired by meditation, and here is another one, and this was the latest one based on Indian rituals. So we are all done here, and our piece is completed. I hope you liked the video and I was able to help you in some ways. Happy mandala to you. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet.